Okay, let's be real for a second. Are you totally sick of wasting your busy day stuck in slow-moving courthouse lines just to hand over a property tax check? Seriously, what if you could handle the whole shebang right from your couch in like 5 minutes? Well, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're completely demystifying how to pay your Shawnee County property taxes online. We are going to give you the exact tools you need to skip the line, save your precious time, and honestly, just take back control of your day.
I mean, the contrast here is literally night and day. Think about the old way for a minute. You have to hunt for downtown parking, stand at a huge line at the treasurer's office, and then, get this, pay a $5 administrative fee just for the privilege of paying them in person. Crazy, right? But the new way? It's a fully digital route. We're talking 24/7 access, instant digital receipts the second you pay, and absolutely zero anxiety about whether your mailed check magically got lost in the post office.
So, here is our quick roadmap for this explainer. First, understanding taxes. 2, getting ready. 3, the step-by-step payment process. 4, fees and deadlines. 5, troubleshooting. And finally, 6, some final tips.
All right, let's jump right into Section 1, Understanding Taxes, the foundation of Shawnee County. Before we get into the how-to, let's quickly talk about the why. Your property tax bill isn't just some random arbitrary number they pulled out of thin air. Every January, the county appraiser calculates the fair market value of local properties, and those resulting taxes directly fund the essential services we literally rely on every single day. We're talking about our public schools, the townships, public libraries, and local municipal governments. In fact, to keep all these community pillars running smoothly, the Shawnee County Treasurer's Office actually mails out around 73,000 property tax statements every single year. So how on earth do they manage 73,000 statements efficiently? Well, they use a system called ICON. If you aren't familiar with it, ICON is this highly secure, unified digital gateway built through a partnership with a company called PayIt, LLC. Basically, it consolidates a bunch of municipal payments into one super simple interface. And it's not just for property taxes. You can use it for vehicle renewals and vital records too. It really is a one-stop shop for getting your civic duties out of the way.
Moving right along to Section 2, getting ready and what you actually need before you click.
Okay, before you even open that payment portal, you've got to locate your specific property account using the Shawnee County Real Estate Search Portal. But don't worry, you have a ton of flexibility here. You don't need to dig through a massive filing cabinet of paperwork. You really only need just one of these 5 pieces of info: the owner's name, the property address, your quick ref number, the parcel ID, or the subdivision name. And here's a quick pro tip for you. Just save a digital PDF of last year's statement on your computer. That way you can easily pull this data up whenever tax season rolls around again.
Which brings us to Section 3, step-by-step payment, navigating the digital gateway. All right, here is your actual game plan. Step 1, you simply find your property ID using one of those search inputs we just talked about. Step 2, open your web browser and head straight over to the official website at acan.ks.gov. Step 3, punch your credentials into their search bar to locate and link your specific tax bill. And finally, Step 4, proceed to the secure checkout. The system walks you right through entering your payment details. Oh, and once you hit submit, always make sure to download and save that digital payment confirmation for your records. It's incredibly straightforward, honestly.
Now for Section 4, fees and deadlines. Let's crunch some numbers, shall we? Listen up, because this is where you can actually strategize and save some cash. Let's break down your options. If you go pay in person at the courthouse, boom, Shawnee County hits you with a $5 administrative fee. If you pay online using a credit or debit card, there is a 2.5% convenience fee that goes straight to the third-party processor to cover network costs. But here is the ultimate digital hack. Use an e-check. By securely linking your bank routing and account numbers online, you bypass that percentage surcharge entirely. So you dodge the 2.5% fee and you skip the $5 in-person fee. It is hands down the smartest, most cost-effective way to do this.
Now, you absolutely must circle these strict statutory deadlines on your calendar so you aren't caught off guard. By state law, the tax statements are mailed out in early November. You can pay the whole thing up front, or you can split it up. The first half is due on December 20th, and the second half is due on May 10th. Oh, and a great little detail to keep in mind. If one of those due dates happens to fall on a weekend or a legal holiday, your deadline is automatically extended to the very next business day. So what happens if you completely space out and miss those crucial deadlines? Well, brace yourself for a stiff 9% interest rate. Based on recent statutory rates set by the state, the county will slap that interest right onto your delinquent balance. And honestly, this is exactly why the speed and that instant digital confirmation of the online portal are so incredibly valuable.
Okay, moving to Section 5, troubleshooting. Consider this your safety net. Look, technology isn't perfect, and life happens. If you hit a glitch or get stuck, the dedicated staff at the Shawnee County Treasurer's Office are actually there to help. You can swing by and visit them at 200 SE 7th Street, Room 101, or just give them a call at 785-251-6483. But here is a highly important tip you need to remember. If you are dealing with a complex issue, like maybe paying off older delinquent taxes that require certified funds, you absolutely must contact them or arrive before 4:30 p.m. They need adequate time before the end of the day to actually process your transaction. And finally, Section 6, final tips for maximizing this digital advantage.
Let's do a quick recap of why adopting this online method is an absolute game changer. By using the ICANN portal, you get complete control over your schedule. You skip the crazy lines. You keep $5 in your pocket by avoiding the administrative fee if you use an e-check. The portal is up 24/7, so yes, you can pay your taxes at midnight on a Sunday if you want to. You get an instant digital receipt, and best of all, it completely eliminates that nagging anxiety of wondering if the post office actually delivered your check on time.
Now, just a quick heads up before we wrap up. While this explainer gives you the full playbook to confidently take action, you should always consult the official Kansas Department of Revenue or the Shawnee County Treasurer if you have specific legal or financial questions. Rates and minor policies can occasionally update, so it's always smart to verify your specific situation with the official county reps. We've covered the digital portal, the step-by-step process, the strategic e-check hack to avoid extra fees, and those critical deadlines. You've got all this knowledge right at your fingertips now, so the only question left is, are you ready to stop waiting in those endless courthouse lines and finally take control of your property taxes directly from your couch? Go ahead, log into the digital gateway today, get it done, and reclaim your time.